Hello my loves, it's Kasha, Plannerista 101. So today I am going to be working in my social media planner, which is a dashboard layout in a classic size happy planner. So I am going to be using, I think, my favorite sticker book of this season, which is Hello Fall by Live Love Posh. I am obsessed with her stickers. Not sure if you already noticed that if you're watching me, but it's something I'm completely obsessed with. Okay, so today we are doing a spread for October 4th through the 10th, and I found this kind of fashionista stickers in her book, and I can't help myself. I know I did one of the monthlies with this, and now I'm going to do a weekly spread with this as well. And I know that this one is very, very big, like big chunky stickers. So it's sometimes very hard to do it in a dashboard layout. So we're gonna go ahead and try together. Okay, now the purse is more or less straight and it won't bug me as much. So here we go. I wanted to add these leopard heels. Look how lovely they are. And I'm gonna add this really beautiful coffee and some books and perfume right up there. I haven't been using that section very much, so I think it works pretty well. And I want to see how a half leaf would look in here. I'm not a huge fan, so I'm gonna add the other half and just combine it. I'm gonna use these smaller leaves all around the edges and then add that lipstick in there. I really am enjoying these stickers quite a bit. I think they're so lovely. Her graphics are always so beautiful. I can't get enough. So I'll add a little bit of that. It's gonna be a very fast plan with me. There's no magic here. I'm just using really beautiful stickers. So when I look at this spread, it makes me just so happy because it's fall colors. This is what we're going to be starting to wear soon, all of us. The dark browns and the oranges are coming back. The hues are so beautiful. I do want to play a little bit and add these really fun leopard prints into it and see how that will work. And I think it might actually work pretty well. So I just want to see how would that look. Yeah, I think it works pretty well and it gives it a little pizzazz. And for me, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And I'll see you soon for another plan with me. Have a great week. Bye.